Hello everyone, it is Joanie from simplelivingmama.com, and today is a really fun day because I am doing a collaboration called It's Fall Y'all with a bunch of other wonderful YouTube moms, and we are all sharing our fall decor or fall craft or fall recipe. There's going to be all kinds of fun fall things, and I will leave the link to the playlist down in the description box below. But today I wanted to show you guys our fall home tour. So we decorated for fall at the beginning of this month, and we just put out a few little things here and there, and I wanted to show you around so you could see what we've done. So let's get started right here in our entryway. This is what you see right when you walk in the front door, and my daughter and I had a lot of fun decorating this space here. I have a little blue bookshelf that my husband made years ago that I like to decorate seasonally. Right beside the door I have my welcome to our pumpkin patch sign, and then up here I had a welcome sign that is an owl. You will see that I really love owls, so that's reflected in my decor. I have a candle on a candlestick. My daughter made that little girl scarecrow. These cute little animals came from Walmart. I have another scarecrow on a pumpkin, and some flowers in my galvanized watering pail. Here's another little scarecrow, and a Halloween cat down below. Over here is another part of my entryway, and this is more of our Halloween decorations. Nothing too scary, but just some fun little things. Most of this came from Target. The lantern here was actually from Hobby Lobby, and the little boo bag is something my grandfather gave me when I was a child. This little owl is from Walmart, and the broom is from Target. I'm not sure where that pumpkin's from. I had it for a few years. The sign is from Target, and the little witch snow globe is from the Dollar Tree actually. So that's where we have our little Halloween stuff, and over here I noticed one of my kids messed with my little bird, so I had to fix him. That's what happens when you have a large family. Kids like to get into stuff that they can reach, but I have a little fall bird sitting there on the shelf and a little pumpkin. Nothing too much. Here's my little owl pillow that came from Cracker Barrel a few years ago. And over here I have an owl plate and a pumpkin with some faux flowers and faux leaves. Here's my mantle. I really love decorating mantles for the holidays. And that little glitter pumpkin is actually from the Dollar Tree. I don't remember where the other owl is from, but I have my little fairy, my fall fairy, my blessed sign from Hobby Lobby. The leaves are from the Dollar Tree. And that little fox right there is from Hobby Lobby last year. And then my sister-in-law painted that vase, and I just put some cotton stems and faux leaves from the Dollar Tree in there. Over here by our couch I have my owl lamp. He's out all year round, but hey, I love owls, so I have a little owl painting from my sister-in-law up here above my desk, a fox that is from Hobby Lobby last year, and then this cute little pumpkin. I think it came from Walmart this year, not sure. That's all I did up there. This is our school room. We did some fall chalk paintings from You Are an Artist, or chalkpastel.com, I believe. And then on the table, our school room is our dining room, so I just have this little centerpiece that I made. I chalk painted some mason jars and put some fall flowers in there from the Dollar Tree. Here in my kitchen, I have this little corner here with this pumpkin marshmallow scent. It smells so good. I love it. The pumpkin dish soap from Mrs. Meyer's is also really good. Put a couple of things over here, a little black cat and my other little fox. Just a few things in the kitchen, nothing too much. And down here we have some wine glasses that say eat, drink, and be scary. Although we don't really act scary in this house, but those are cute little wine glasses anyway. And then on the island, I just have another owl plate, and this candle is from the Target Dollar Spot. It is in the pumpkin cinnamon scent. It doesn't put out a ton of scent, but it does smell good. So that's it for the main areas of our house. I'm going to give you guys an overview of everything. I hope you enjoyed this fall tour. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and go check out that playlist. We'll talk to you later. Bye.